morning, this is Vivialen Borcelo. By the way, I am a fourth-year college student taking up Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in General Curriculum. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss to you about geography, what it means, the concept of geography, 5 themes of geography, and its branches. I hope you will not forget what we discussed. And also you will prepare for the exams. Geography comes with the two Greek words, geo and graphy. So geo means earth and graphy means to write or to describe. So it means geography means to write the earth or to describe the earth. Okay? And geography is a Greek word, comes from a Greek scholar named Eratosthenes. Geography also is defined as a scientific study of Earth, lands, its surfaces, features, inhabitants, phenomena surrounding the Earth. Okay? So let's proceed to the concept of geography. Concepts of geography are the place, scale, distance, contribution, movement, region, change, process, spatial association, and sustainability. Okay, so let's proceed also to the branches of geography. Okay, so branches of geography can be divided into 3 main branches. These are the physical geography, environmental geography, and human geography. Now, let's discuss what is human geography. Human geography pertains to the spatial analysis of the world as an organic whole. The major components also of human geography is people. It aims to study different cultures and communities on a spatial basis. Also, human geography also have many sub-branches. It includes historical geography, cultural geography, health geography, economic geography, developmental geography, settlement geography, population geography, and political geography. And now, let's discuss each sub-branches of human geography. First is the historical geography. Historical geography is the study of interaction of people with their environment and based on the parameters of time and space. It attempts to study every possible geography of the past, even fictional one. The main aim is to ascertain how, due to human influence, a particular place, region, a geographical feature undergoes a change through time and landscape. Hello everyone, so today we're going to continue about human geography. So there are sub-branches of human geography. These are historical geography, cultural geography, political geography, economic geography, development geography, settlement geography, population geography, and health geography. And now we're done discussing about historical geography. And now let's proceed to cultural geography. So what is cultural geography? So cultural geography is the study of how culture varies from one geographical region to the other region. It is also a spatial analysis on how distant culture influences each other. Moreover, it is also studies how and under what circumstances. So one culture becomes dominant over the other and ends up either assimilating or uprooting it completely. So cultural geography is a study of the horizontal movement of culture and the various phenomena. So affecting them in the process. So the parameters of cultural geography includes language, religion, beliefs, economy, and etc. So that is how we define cultural geography. It's all about culture. Okay? And now let's proceed to the other sub-branches of human geography, that's political geography. So political geography is an interesting discipline that deals with how similar processes in different geographical regions. It may lead also to completely different outcomes. Okay? So, from different region, and then it will develop and it will lead to different outcomes. It is also deals with the way the geography of a particular region influences its political structure. It also performs not only to the states or the country, but also in the previous or in the various processes. So it also pertains or performs to the whole processes. So not only in the country or in the states, but also in the whole, in the various processes. Okay, so that's political geography. And now let's proceed to what is economic geography. So economic geography is the study of the influences of the region's influences in economic activities and vice versa. It also attempts to do a spatial analysis of how a certain economic activity is concentrated in a particular geographical setting. It also deals with aspects such as international trade, economic development, transformation, and most importantly, the core periphery theory. So, economic geography is like based only on our economic or our economic activity from the word economic. Okay, so let's proceed to other type of human geography, the development geography. So development geography deals with the influence of the geography of the earth on a standard and overall quality of life and its people. Okay, so it attempts also to make a spatial study as to why the inhabitants of a particular region are poorer than those of another region. So in short, it all talks about people's lives. So poorer, richer, that is under about development geography. So geography is about people's lives. Okay. So next, human geography, the sub-branches of human geography is settlement geography. From the word settlement. So it's like the people wants to settle down. Okay? But the meaning of the settlement geography is It is a spatial study of all those parts of the earth where they want to settle down. It talks about human. So, where or when the human wants to settle down. And also, it deals also with studying urban and rural areas. So, with respect to its settlement patterns and the impact of geographical factors. So, it talks all about settlement of living. So, settlement of living, where do you want to live, or do you want to go to the urban areas or the other part of area. Okay? So, next is the population geography. So, population geography also is related to settlement geography. So, in that, it attempts also to human settlement. So, human settlement across various and geographical locations. So, it's all about population from the word population geography, and also it studies about places of human or where they live. Okay? So, next, sub-branches of human geography is health geography. So, health geography also is a new discipline. It, it is based on the health issues of a person. So, health geography, it means health issues, or it deals with the health issues of a human. Okay? So, now we're done talking about the sub-branches of human geography. So, we're done at the first part of branches of geography. And now, let's proceed to the second type or second branch of geography. The second branch of geography is physical geography. So, physical geography also have sub-branches. So, these are geomorphology, pedology, climatology, meteorology, hydrology, coastal geography, oceanography, and glaciology and landscape ecology. So, now I will discuss to you one by one what are the meaning of those sub-branches and the meaning of physical geography. So, physical geography also known as seismography, or also known as seismography. This is the natural science that deals with patterns and functionings of nature. So, it deals also with those aspects of nature which lie outside the human domain. So, it includes atmosphere, climate, landforms, soils, oceans, and etc. So, it includes also all parts of what you've seen in the earth. So, the atmosphere, the climate, the landform, the soil, and etc. Okay? So, and now we will discuss one by one those sub-branches of physical geography. So the first one is geoformology. So geoformology is a science that deals with the formation and shaping of landforms. The main aim of geoformology is to study and analyze the formation of different landforms. So, this is all about landforms. So, the second sub-branches of physical geography is pedology. So, pedology, this is the study of various kinds of soils, from the word pedology. So, study of different kinds of soils in their natural environment. So, It deals not only with the processes of soil formation and classification, but also with the interaction between various physicals. So, physical means air, water, and climate. And also physical and biological. So, biological means plants and their soil and the effects of in the climate. So the third sub-branches of physical geography is climatology. So from the word climatology, it means this is the study of climate, or this is deal with the study of climate. So climatology also is the study of local, regional, as well as the global climates with respect to their effects on the physical and biological aspects of the earth. So, studying how climate can be affected by natural and human influences. So, climatology also is like have a similarities with meteorology, but this kind of climatology also is aimed only to forecast long-term climate condition. But this meteorology pertains to short-term forecasting. So these are the difference of climatology and meteorology. So climate means to forecast in a long-term condition, and meteorology it pertains to forecast in a short-term forecasting or short-term condition. So meteorology also is the study of weather, so weather condition. It is the fields where deals with the forecast of day-to-day conditions of the weather. So it deals also with the prediction of weather condition in our future generation or in the future. Okay. So now let's proceed to our fifth sub-branches of physical geography. So our fifth sub-branches of physical geography is hydrology. So hydro, it means water. So by that, hydro means to a study of water on the surface of the earth and its interaction with natural and biological factors. In short, this is the study of all kinds of water. Or study of water. And then, let's proceed to the other type or other sub-branches of physical geography. This is coastal geography. So coastal geography also is very interesting discipline because this is study which deals with the interaction between land and the ocean. All types of physical and biological, these are under coastal geography. Okay? Because this is the study of land and the ocean. Okay? And then the other sub-branches of physical geography is oceanography. So oceanography is from the word ocean, so it means this is the study of all oceans or oceans. This is related to ocean such as marine life, low and high tides, natural resources, and many more. So oceanography is the study of oceans and seas of the world. Okay. So the other sub-branches of physical geography is glaciology, glaciology. So glaciology is the study of the glaciers and ice sheets of the world. So all about the studying of melting of ice. or the physical phenomena that involve formation and melting of ice. So, and the last part of our discussion about physical geography is the sub-branches of what we call landscape ecology. So landscape ecology also is the study of the interaction between the various ecological processes and respective ecosystem. So all about studying about our ecosystem and the ecological processes. So this belong to landscape ecology. So we're done about discussing the physical geology and its sub-branches. So now let's proceed to the last part of branches of geography. But aside from the two main branch of geology, the human geography and physical geography, a third branch may be defined which combine of the two elements, the human geography and the physical geography. The third branch is what we call environmental geography. So environmental geography it's a branch or that deals with the interaction and impact of humans on the physical world and vice versa. So it deals with the studying of humans and physical world or vice versa, or physical world into impact of humans. Okay, we're done discussing about the three main branch of geography. So let's recall the three main branch. First is the human geography, second is the physical geography, and the third is the environmental geography. So now let's proceed to the other discussion. This is all about the 5 themes of geography. So 5 themes of geography. So the 5 themes of geography were developed by the National Council for Geographic Education. This is to provide an organizing framework for the presentation of geographical materials. So there are 5 themes of geography. First is the location, second is the place, third is the human environmental interaction, fourth is the movement, and fifth is the regions. The first 5 themes of geography is location. Location, it means the location of geography. It means the position on the Earth's surface. It is absolute and relative. So, geographic study begins with the location of places on the Earth's surface. Okay, so that's the location. It means a location, it is the position in the Earth's surface. And the second 5 themes of geography is the place. The place, this is the physical and human characteristic. Place have physical and human characteristics that make them what they are. Okay, so the place. Place is different from location. Place, this is the physical and human characteristics. But the location, it is the position of the Earth's surface. Okay, so don't forget that. Okay, and the third themes of geography is human or environmental interactions. It means the shaping of the landscape. It also means that the landscape of the earth is no longer a purely physical feature. Okay? So that is what it means of human and environmental interactions. So the fourth themes of geography is movement. So movement, this is human interacting on the earth. So movement is the human interacting on the earth. The postmodern of the world is one of the great interaction between places. So the first or the postmodern of the world is the best or one of the great interaction places of the world. Okay, and the last themes of geography is the regions. So regions, it means how they form and how they change. So regions also is a unit of space that is unified by the presence of some characteristics. So regions, this is the unit of space that is unified by the presence of the characteristics of some characteristics. So I'm done discussing the themes of geography. So I'm done discussing all about geography. The first is from the branch, the concept, and the themes of geography. And also, I will give you some questions to be answered for this video. Okay? So I hope you will not forget what we discussed. So, and also you will prepare for the exams.